Once again Nick 254 updates. Now tuko hapa kuangalia history ya John K. Anajaribu kuaddress the combination. So wacha tuone venye anawaambia. Aya, tuende. Na hapa Evangelist John K anauliza vita vyatoka wapi? Kauuma pa. Alafu hapo chini analena kusema fighting is good when necessary. Na sawa kaona mseo, lakini when necessary. In fact, fighting is biblical. So pia kaona Biblia. But before you fight, answer some several questions. But before ukite ikujo makujo kadhaa. Number 1, is it worth the while? Is it worth the while? Number 1. Number 2, ask yourself, how will it benefit me and my beloved one? So tiko ukita kiolela olela tu kuamuka tu na kuambia manuka takayamba pepe. Listen. Hapa John K anaendelea na kusema David asked, what would be done for the man who kills this Philistine and removes this disgrace from Israel? Who is this uncircumcised Philistine that he should defy the armies of the living God? 1 Samuel 17:26. This is a very good word, by the way. Haya, tunaendelea tu. Alafu hapa chini anarudi nasema, if the fight is not beneficial, leave it. Very simple. Kenda kauzuti beneficial umonoina worldview. Sometimes I find silence being better than unnecessary arguments and unending dramas. Right, very good. John K. Achawe sometimes mabindangi weona kapalake enda akiletie kuote kwenda na unnecessary arguments kana kwenda na drama city ya udhela wende ndete kapalake kala silent. Na kindu kingi baya choka kacha silence is mystery. You cannot misinterpret it. Right? Yeah? And silence ni kindu kisemu, no? Silence is a mystery. It's a mystery. You cannot misinterpret it. Silence, I do not fear. This man of God anaendelea hapa na kusema, in fact, silence speaks volumes, right? When Eliab raised unnecessary argument on David over the war between Israelites and Philistine, David did not wage war against his elder brother. Instead, he overlooked. Great people don't wage war over intolerant types of violence. The secret of success is constancy to purpose. Hapa anaendelea na kusema Paul said, and Paul waisie, I do not fight like a boxer beating the air. Colossians 9:26b. Fighting should be aiming victory for a crown. Yeah. Sai nyondo mwakamba mukitia cho yinyi aidi mangosbel mukitia cho kekana ini makatitume mekwe kwa ukita baina thina lakini inywe tamu inywe twese inywe ninyo mutu thengezi ambe wangai lakini mutinie kukitia nonsense. Listen this. John Kepa anasema what brings the war chao kila kikwete kao. Hapa anasema number 1, unforgiveness, kulea kuwekea mundu, jealous, internal desires, pride kana kiburi, and external influences. Hapa anasema let me tackle number 1 for today, unforgiveness, kulea kuwekea nia. Anasema when the spirit of unforgiveness grows it transforms from a simple emotional response to a root of bitterness that infects our personal life, relationships, and spiritual life, right? Finally, John Kepa anasema, a pastor friend of mine once told me this: ukamanda makosa mundu ndukosa. My reverend always tells me that even if you are Mr. Right, ukianza kutingiza unduma za wengine, ya kwako itatingika automatically. That's a very good point, right? Monish also sang and said, hakuna andui wa asili, andui wa leo alikuwa rafiki wa jana, mpende kama zamani. Find a place in your heart and forgive. Forgiveness is also for your own benefit, right? Now,